Hello and welcome back to our self-massage series. If you haven't seen the other videos, please check them out. I'll link them above, link them below. They'll be somewhere, so be sure to check them out. If you like massage, please give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started with today. Today we are working on our hips, and we're going to focus on pain that originates on the side and back of your hips and also can go into your low back or even down to your knee. Now again, there are lots of muscles that can cause this, and so I highly recommend you seeing a qualified massage therapist so you can thoroughly treat these issues, but everything we're doing today is easily self-treated. Now, if you did not check out the low back video, I highly recommend you see that because it's going to also go over pelvic alignment. So we're working the TFL. Now this muscle is located more towards the front of your hip, but it's also on the side, and it actually runs all the way down into your knee. So in addition to hip pain, this can also cause knee pain. And one of the primary areas where this gets restricted and where there are tender spots is right here, right on the side of your hip bone. So you can feel for your hip bones and then go slightly out, and you can kind of press into it. Just do general massage. Also, you're just looking for some tender points. Once you find a tender point, and especially if you feel that pain going down your leg, hold it because it's likely a trigger point, allow it to release, and then keep going. So we're going to work on the gluteus medius and minimus. They are located right here on the side of your hip. They go slightly posterior, slightly anterior. They're located on the side of your hip. Now, when you're working them, you can feel this bony part. This is your trochanter, which is like the pointy side of your hip. And then you find the ilium, your hip bone right here. And between those 2 points is where these muscles lie. And when you press into them, one of them actually causes pain into your low back as well as the hip, and the other, the gluteus minimus, can cause pain in your hip and down your leg. So you're just going to do some general massage in this area, but then also what I want you to do is to really go through the muscles and look for the tender points. When you find those tender points, just hold it, allow it to release, and move on. A great stretch for your hips is a glute stretch. This also stretches all the lateral rotators in your hip, which is really great. These are not always easily self-treated. And in order to stretch out your glutes and those lateral rotators, create a figure 4 by placing your right ankle on your left knee and then just sink down into it. Now, if that's too hard for you and you can't balance, you can do the same thing sitting down, create a figure 4, and then actually, if you feel the stretch right there, just hold it. If not, lean forward to make more of a stretch. You just hold that stretch until you feel it release. Come out of it, go back into it a little bit further until it releases. We worked on the core and having that pelvic alignment. Now I just want to show you what proper posture is. So we know that we need to tuck our hips in just slightly, not over exaggerated tuck and not sticking our butts out. Just right in the middle there where we are controlled, where we are centered, and we are strong. Tuck it in, keep your shoulders back, but not your chest out. So you just want to roll your shoulders back and down. And that usually will give you the proper alignment. For your head position, you want your chin slightly tilted forward. You don't want to walk around like this. You don't want it to be like this because that will compress the occipital muscles and cause you headache pain. And if you have that, check out the other video and that will help you treat that as well. The 4 points of good posture: stable pelvis, shoulders down, chin tilted slightly forward. Imagine that string pulling your head up so you're not sinking down to anything. You are standing straight up the crown of your head. And that will help you with all your low back and hip pain. So here are 2 of my favorite topical treatments for pain. This one here is the Deep Relief Roll-On from Young Living. You just simply roll it on. It's a little roller. You just roll it on whatever is hurting. Now this is a CBD muscle rub that I've been using for maybe over a month now, but that is awesome as well, relieves pain. Both of these products will be listed in the description box if you're interested. Please comment below if there are any areas that you would like some more self-treatment options for, and also just let me know where you most commonly feel pain. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic day. See you in the next one.